Well, here you have it. There it is. There's what's left of my Model A. Frame sitting outside, getting wet, getting dirty. Gotta get her down, get her blasted. It's all good. It's all good. Let's see what else is going on with the car. Well, we got all the suspension, some suspension parts here. Some of this I gotta take apart, take it down, get it chromed. I gotta get the little tie rods off the wishbones, the split wishbones, get those chromed. Gotta get my center link chromed, a few other little bits and pieces. You already saw the tires that came in. Headers came today. Well, not today, but they came in. Speedway. Got some headers there. So I was hoping they would have came in before I had the motor and all that pulled out of the frame. I wanted to fit them, but they were behind, back ordered, and I just had to get the ball rolling. I couldn't keep waiting, so it's all right. There's a couple little things to fit later. What else is going on here about the car? Not much, just a hell of a mess down here with more and more parts that keep showing up for it. Lots of goodies there. So we'll show you the car itself and what's happening. Little Ford pickup. Had to put her out back here, put her away for a little bit because we're waiting on some parts and pieces from LMC truck. They're usually fast at getting them to me. They should be here the end of the week, and then we can finish that old girl up. But anyway, here is the Model A. Mr. Sean is working his magic. It's funny, I look at this car right now, and it's got a 3-inch chop. And I tell you, it's hard for me not to cut it and take another inch out of it. If I never chopped this car, like I said, I didn't build it. I think had I built this car and done it, I would have done a 4-inch chop. I would have done 4. The 3 is nice though, because I've had guys that are like 6'2" get in my car here, and they've got tons of headroom. They love it, and they're like, "Wow, that's nice." When I look at it like this, it just doesn't look chopped to me. But when I do park it next to a stock one, well then I'm like, "Oh wow, yeah, it looks chopped." So I do like it. Don't get me wrong. This part of me sometimes wishes it had an extra inch out of it. Anyway, Sean is he's doing a wonderful job. He's just roughing things in, so he goes around, he gets any real bad spots first. Gets the real lows first. And works them out. Then what he'll do is he'll skim coat the whole thing. Kind of what you see here. Alright, so you know, if there's a big dent up in here, like I say, it's kind of dented, he's fixing those. He's pounding them out, doing what he's got to do. Then he's filling them. Then he'll come along, he'll skim coat it. And then when he skim coats it, he'll knock most of that material back off on the ground. And you'll start to see like metal, how it comes through and areas like that. Just to make sure it's absolutely straight. So there's no messing around here. And of course, he's got a bunch of all my other stuff done. Oh, I picked up the grill shell. I had a grill shell. It's fiberglass. Nothing wrong with it. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's just, you know, the whole car is metal, and I just felt like it should have a metal grill shell. So there we go. We got the metal grill shell. The fiberglass one I am not going to sell. I did buy a new insert too for this one because one of my fiberglass ones got a little bit of a dent. I'm not going to be selling my fiberglass one. It's a beautiful thing to hang on the wall. That's going to be wall art. And maybe one day when I build another one of these cars, I'll use it on that. I don't know. I do have my eyes on a 29 Roadster pickup that I've known about for many, many years. That's just sitting close by here. And it was for sale many years ago at a real low price. But it was just word of mouth. And nobody bought it. That I'm aware of anyway. Because I drove by there not long ago, and he had the doors open, and I could have swore I still saw it sitting up on the shelves all in pieces. It's all taken apart. It's in a million pieces, but it's still sitting there. I know I saw it. There's no way my eyes played that kind of trick on me. I could see it sitting there. So that might be something, if he still wants the price he wanted then, I might grab that. I'm not into roadsters, the roadster truck ones. They're kind of small to me. But I'd chunk it together, make a cool little rat rod out of it, and put her up for sale. I could really do something with that. So there we go. That is the Model A. And I don't think I got much more to show you. Obviously our Sundays now are working on the custom car. I'm going to spend a little bit of time on my Model A, but I've really got nothing to do to it today. I've been working on, obviously you saw the other video up, or maybe it's not up yet, I don't know, but we worked on Terry's custom Chevy there, the Court Elliott special. We're working on that, that's what we were doing. And like I say, my Model A, I got to take a few pieces apart for the suspension, take them to the chrome shop. There's no point even doing a video. Just doing this video to keep you guys updated so you can see the bodywork, what's going on with it, and what's happening. Once you get the frame all done, get it painted, we start putting it together, well then the videos will get a little longer for this car. But for right now, that's all I really got to show you. That's about it. And that's one of my old wheels that I had on the car when it originally was done. Those are the big old 16-inch, the Ford bolt pattern, because I had a 41 Ford diff in it with the Firestones on it. A lot of people have been after there. They're like, what are you doing with your front wheels and tires? I'm like, no, I'm keeping them. Because if I do get this other project, they'll work perfect on there. So I'm just going to hang on to those for now. My Finn Buick drums down there. Same as the dropped axle. I was going to get rid of it, but I thought I'd better just hang on to that for now too. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing here. We'll find out quick enough when we find out what the guy's doing with the other car. So, give you a little look around here. Okay guys, with that being said, all I can say is hell yeah, it's a beautiful Sunday. And tomorrow's Monday and I'm looking forward to it. I love what I do. I'll see you later.